Number 5. AvoDerm grain-free cat food. Chicken and duck recipe, in gravy pouch wet cat food. Grain-free for healthy digestion, and balanced nutrition. Healthy skin and coat, made with omega-rich avocados, and avocado oil. All natural, contains only premium, all-natural ingredients. No byproducts meals, no artificial flavors, colors or preservatives. Corn-free, wheat-free, soy-free. Number 4. Solid Gold grain-free cat food. 5 Oceans holistic, grain-free wet cat food. For all life stages. Real seafood with gravy. Holistic grain and gluten-free shreds, in gravy recipe. Specially crafted for cats, of all life stages. Including kitten and senior. Delicious shreds in gravy, serve on its own as a complete and balanced meal, or serve as a meal complement or topper. Responsibly sourced, nutrient-dense ingredients, ocean-caught tuna, and mackerel in a savory gravy, makes a delicious and nutritious meal. Number 3. Instinct Raw Boost grain-free, dry cat food. High-protein kibble, plus freeze-dried raw cat food. Grain-free cat food. With freeze-dried raw, cage-free chicken, Instinct Raw Boost, natural dry cat food. Combines high-protein, grain-free kibble with all natural bites of freeze-dried raw chicken. Natural cat food. Plus freeze-dried raw pieces, Raw Boost is high-protein cat food. With probiotics to support healthy digestion and omegas. For skin and coat. Number 2. Crave grain-free cat food trays. Real turkey first ingredient, while cats and modern cats thrive on a diet of high-quality animal protein. Crafted with 12% high-quality protein to help your cat thrive and satisfy the desire for meat. Grain-free, no corn, wheat or soy. No artificial flavors or preservatives, premium natural cat food. Plus added vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. Number 1. Weruva grain-free cat food. Cats in the kitchen grain-free, natural can wet cat food. Featuring sustainably sourced ingredients. Like cage-free boneless, skinless white breast meat chicken, lamb, or salmon in a delicious OJUS, all produced in human food facilities. Under the strictest BRC global standards for foods. A complete and balanced diet. For adult maintenance with added vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants designed to support the health of your cat. With optimal hydration,